welcome back to FordeeTV. I'm your host, Fordee. So I know that this is not a tutorial, but I'm addicted to this game, Golf Rival. I just started playing a little while ago, and this is the second challenge I've entered. It's the basic ball challenge where you could use all your clubs, but you can only use basic balls, which I think makes it more about your skill because, granted, usually in these other challenges, you don't have all your clubs like leveled up, right? Maybe you're focusing on a specific set or whatever, huh? So anyway, right now, I don't know, you probably noticed I had 11 wins and 0 losses, but that's not true. I actually got to 11 wins with 2 losses, and I lost on the final round, and I paid 200 gems to get a retry, right? Because in the final match, I was matched up with a dude that had like level 4 or level 5 legendaries, which is ridiculous. The fact that, you know, my highest legendary, only one of them is level 3, the rest are level 2, and not all my cards are legendaries, right? So anyway, I don't know what's up because more or less the matching system for the whole challenge was on until the final match. It was way off, right? And maybe on purpose, right? I only screwed up on one match where I lost the other one. The guy he outplayed me easy. He was better or he had better situation. But one of the games I screwed up, you know, when I let go of my finger or whatever and shot the ball or whatever, huh? So anyway, as you can see, I placed myself in an okay spot. I have better clubs than this guy. I don't know how we got matched, huh? He has a level 5 world, whereas I have a level 7. I don't think that's exactly fair, but as you'll see, he doesn't hit it that far away from where I hit it to, right? So at this point, it's okay. I'm a little bit closer, but where it's unfair for him is the distance he is, his second club makes it so he can't even stay in the game, right? Now, the wind is on my side right here, and that's another thing I dislike. Well, it's one thing I dislike about the game. Unfair matchups, I think, in any game suck, but what I think is when I get wind, right now you can see I have 15.6. I don't know if that's knots or what it is, but that's the wind I have. It should be that the guy who goes at, you know, the person who plays second, they have the same wind that you had during that turn. Because sometimes the wind will be in your favor or not, and for the next person, it's the opposite, right? So as you can see right here, I have 15.6. This guy's wind is 13, and he doesn't have the clubs to get across the way. He also had a disconnecting problem where like he disconnected like 3 times. I don't know if it's his internet or what, but that wasn't the issue in the end, huh? It was the fact the wind wasn't as much in his favor. And granted, that 2 maybe is not that big of a deal, but maybe that 2 would have put him in a better scenario. In fact, it would have, because he lands in the rough, but he probably would have landed on the fairway. Would he have tied me? I mean, obviously, I'm not complaining. I won the challenge. I got the legendary card, which obviously is what I wanted. And super stoked, right? But in the end, I think for the matchmaking, it needs to be on. You should not just be matched with trophy level. The dude had the same level of trophies as me that had level 4 and 5 legendaries. I mean, either he's just dropping classes, which clearly he knew how to play, right? There's one shot he made. I should have included in the video, but maybe a lot of people are not even interested in this. But as you can see, I did end this on a positive note, right? No, this is him. This guy actually has a better legendary than me, right? He's got the Hawk level 3. Is that who's? No, this is me. Oh, okay, I have a Hawk level 3. Anyway, I only have 2 3s. I have the Hawk and I have the Batwings. The rest of them are level 2, huh? And I don't even play legendary for every card, huh? But anyway, so this was a really nice shot to end this match, right? Well, at least end my turn. He still has a chance to catch up. His shot was not impossible, so he could have tied me right here, right? But he ended up missing it. And for sure, the end of this challenge, where all of the wind is, usually above the count of the distance of the circle, definitely made it so you had to be a little more creative, a little more interesting. And by the way, on the game that I screwed up on, it was because I landed on the green, but all around the tee or the final hole was lava. Like, so if it bounced away, and it did, and so I should have taken a safer shot. I was 1-up shots against the dude. I would have won, but instead we tied, and then he took me in the shootout. So obviously clubs definitely matter then, and whatever. So anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. I know it's unrelated to this stuff. It's a really cool game. Overall, it's amazing. The matchmaking's good. I definitely recommend playing it. Anyways, guys, until next time, have a great weekend. I'm out.